Hey, everyone! Want to make money online with AI? In today's video, I'll show you how to turn AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney into a steady income stream by selling digital services on platforms like Fiverr. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, hit that like button and let's dive in. Section 1. Selling AI services on Fiverr. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a marketplace where freelancers sell services, from graphic design to content writing, and even AI-generated artwork. Now, thanks to AI, you don't need to be an expert in any of these fields. You just need to know how to use the right tools. Fiverr even has a whole new section dedicated to AI services. That means more opportunities than ever to sell AI-generated content. Let me show you how. Section 2. AI-powered services you can sell. The possibilities are endless, but here are some of the hottest gigs you can offer. AI-generated artwork. Use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create stunning digital art, concept designs, or custom illustrations. AI-written content. Offer blog writing, SEO articles, or even full ebooks using ChatGPT. Custom chatbots and AI apps. Use OpenAI's API to create personalized AI chatbots for businesses. AI-powered proofreading and editing. Help clients refine AI-generated content by improving readability, structure, and accuracy. AI-powered translations. Use AI translation tools to offer quick and accurate multilingual services. The best part? You don't have to be an expert. AI does the heavy lifting and you just fine-tune the results. Section 3. Standing out in a competitive market. Of course, with so many people jumping on the AI bandwagon, how do you stand out? Here are some pro tips. Find your niche. Instead of offering generic AI art, specialize in something unique, like AI-generated children's book illustrations or sci-fi concept art. Deliver high-quality work. AI-generated content is great, but always personalize it to make it look professional. Optimize your Fiverr profile. Use strong keywords in your gig title and description. Upload eye-catching thumbnails, and write a compelling bio. Offer competitive pricing. Start with lower prices to attract reviews, then gradually increase as you build credibility. Section 4. Final tips and call to action. And that's it. AI is changing the game, and now is the best time to start leveraging it for passive income. Whether you're selling AI art, ChatGPT-generated content, or custom AI applications, Fiverr is a great place to start. Have an idea for an AI service but not sure how to get started? Drop a comment below, and I'll help you brainstorm. And don't forget to subscribe because I'm dropping fresh AI money-making tips every week. See you in the next video.